Mastering time-related prepositions. At, on, in. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be tackling an important topic in English grammar, prepositions of time. Specifically, we'll focus on the usage of at, on, and in. Learning these prepositions will help you express time in a more accurate and nuanced manner. So, let's get started. Prepositions of time are used to express when something happens in the English language. The three most common ones are at, on, and in. These can be a little confusing as their usage depends on the context, but don't worry, we'll go through each one step by step. At is used for precise times. For instance, at 7 o'clock, at sunrise, at noon, at night. You could say, I wake up at 7 o'clock every day, or, I enjoy walking at sunrise. On is used for specific days and dates. For example, on Monday, on Fridays, on her birthday, on the 5th of June. So, you could say, I'm going to the dentist on Monday, or, she always throws a party on her birthday. In is used for longer periods of time, such as months, years, and seasons. For instance, in December, in 2025, in the summer, in the morning. You might say, we often go skiing in December, or, I usually read in the morning. Remember, English is a language with many exceptions. Although the rules we've just discussed generally apply, there are some instances where they might not. Here are a few examples. We say, in the morning, in the afternoon, or, in the evening, but, at night. We use at for at the weekend in British English but on for on the weekend in American English. So, keep practicing and you'll soon get a feel for these prepositions. That wraps up our session on time-related prepositions. I hope this video has been helpful in shedding light on how to use at, on, and in when talking about time. Remember, it's all about context and practice. So keep practicing these prepositions in different sentences and soon it will be second nature. Thanks for joining us today, and happy learning!